Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to have a look at must-have skills before learning React.js. Let's start right now. Number 1. HTML and CSS. Starting your journey as a front-end developer will include learning HTML and CSS. When you have good knowledge about those technologies, only then it is recommended to start learning a framework like React. Otherwise, you may struggle learning React. Take your time and start learning HTML and CSS by building mini projects. That's the best way. Number 2. JavaScript ES6. Before learning React, you should have solid understanding of JavaScript ES6. React is built on top of it, and it is important to know the main concepts of JavaScript. So learn about basic concepts like promises, arrow functions, destructuring, arrays, if-else statements, and etc. Number 3. JSX. In React, you will work with JSX, which looks like HTML. JSX is the easiest way to add HTML code inside JavaScript. You should have a complete understanding of what JSX is before learning React. Number 4. NPM. While working with React, you will have to install a lot of packages. Package in JavaScript contains all files needed for a module, and modules are the JavaScript libraries you will install. You can use npm or yarn to manage those packages, and you will need to have Node.js installed on your machine. And finally, number 5, Git and CLI. Git is a must-have skill. A developer should keep projects on a remote repository like GitHub. It helps developers to work together, collaborate, and host projects. You should have good knowledge about the command line and Git commands such as git add, git commit, git push, and etc. Thank you for watching this video. If you like such content, make sure you subscribe for more.